Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you what I get up to behind the scenes, late night business, archiving these discs. Absolutely mental, non-stop archiving, recovering, putting discs in Amiga, scanning them, doing all kinds of stuff. And it's quite a long-winded process. I'm going to share that with you now. You're going to see what I get up to behind the scenes. Yes, Massive and Crew, been going non-stop, mate, non-stop, running off discs. Been running all night, haven't even gotten through one crate yet. And I'm just rolling, using all kinds of technology to recover, all kinds of programs in Amiga, found lots of disc recovery. Really interesting stuff. I ain't even gonna lie, I've been here for hours and it's kind of tedious. Finding tunes on disc, I can't even remember, that I just rolled out on the day and never played again. Insane! So guys, a little update. I've got some rubber bands. I'm going through the discs bit by bit. It's kind of tricky because there's like so many discs here, and I'm also trying to sort of go through the crates, but I'm a little bit worried, like whether, you know, taking them out of the sort of assigned crates that they're in may actually mix them up more. So it's a bit tricky because the ones that I'm finding at the moment that go together and have the same sort of disc 1, disc 2, I'm putting a rubber band around them, which does help. Found some Joker Record stuff, which you can see here. I've also found the disc for Dub Select. There's also a disc here sort of labelled Crescenti. There's also a disc, quite a few piles, some of the sort of drum and bass recordings discs. They're also here, so I'm going through them slowly but surely. Found a copy of Optimed 5, but that didn't work. King of Dub Rock, which looks pretty much a little bit roughed up. I think this was something that I did on Reinforced Records. New Don Gorgon Talk. Now this is more likely from, I would say, either Hardcore Volume 1 or one of the earlier bits and pieces. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so I just opened up this disc and it says Intel arrangement, but if this is Wii Intelligent, that'd be pretty sick. So guys, just found a weekend remix on the Amiga. Don't know if this is going to load. It says can't enter the command. Okay, so it needs Optimed obviously to load. So let me get Optimed up here. Let's go into here. Audio apps. Optimed 6. Let's load this up, see what's happening. Sweet. Okay, so go to open. Fingers crossed. Volume. Brian Brain. Oh no, weekend remix. Oh man, sounding a bit rough. Is it going to load? Taking its time. Seems to be okay. Fingers crossed. Loading module. Pretty nerve-wracking bit thing at the moment. I should really get some of that air spray to spray in the discs. Oh, makes some funky noise. Oh, that's an error on block 7. Right, Equinox is saying if you take the disc out, put it back in, it may help. So guys, it says error on block 7. I'm going to try some isopropyl, see what happens. Well guys, I did manage to get one disc of it loaded, and it looks like a lot of the samples perhaps are on the Akai or S950. So I can see some strings here and some other bits and pieces and wishy-washy bits, weekend down slice, whatever. So it looks like I'm going to save this up. I can't see, hold on, sample list, edit. No samples loaded. So these are probably on either discs somewhere else, but at least I've got the arrangement going. Okay guys, as you can see, my first ever tune, Revolution. I put the data in, it's making some weird noises. Look, I can't see any start IDs. Sounding a bit better second time round, but no, there's no time on there, there's nothing. So I'm a bit praying, man. I don't think I'm even going to try and play this DAT now. I'll leave this DAT till the very last. Look, I rewinded it right back to the beginning, and I can't see anything, no activity, just strange noises. So I don't trust that one, peeps. I really don't. I'm not going to attempt to play this DAT in case it ruins my DAT heads. So guys, as you can see here, this is the contents of the disc that I've literally put in, and I've run fixed this to archive as much as I can off of the disc. And what it does is you literally just press blocks or header, and it will scan the disk surface and pull off files from corrupt disks. This is a really cool program. It's Amiga based, and it's pretty awesome. And I've been using this constantly, literally on my process of getting all of the stuff archived, because not every single disk loads properly. Bearing in mind that it's been like 20 odd years since these discs have been loaded, so they are corrupt. Some of them are corrupt, they're dusty, they need dusting out, they need isopropyl treatment, and then eventually, last resort, is put them into a scan program like this and then scan all of the files off. So one disc sometimes out of all these discs can take me up to 45 minutes to get right. Guys, it's now 11:04, running off the DATs. Found another mix of Warp Factor 1, which I believe is probably one that's out. Going through tons of discs, rubber bands, sorting them all out into categories. You what? Well, that changed. Strange. This is a mega mix of something. Okay. What? I don't know what this is. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So you can see there was a last minute discovery of a Brain Mega Mix that I had on that. I think it was a live PA thing that we did. So comment down below if you want to hear that. Let me know how you've been getting on. Shout out to everyone who's been watching the live stream. Don't forget to support the Kickstarter project in the description down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.